So hello everyone, it's Olen ready for a new video. So today we're gonna overview this car model. It's the Maserati Gran Turismo Folgoro and 2023. I made this car. Wait, I spent more than 10 or 20 days. I don't know. Okay, I made a tutorial video. Okay, you can check it in my YouTube channel. So you're gonna see how I made this. Okay, for 0 to hero maybe. Yeah, is like this. I think is correct. Okay, it's not the best car you're gonna see, but it's correct. And in this tutorial I show you how I made the model and the technique I use every time to make a complex form or whatever you want. So remember here, we don't care how you made your model. If you get the result you want, this is good. Okay, you can now optimize your model later, and the same for the code is like this. So this kind of how it work is very simple. So I don't show everything because I do it every time. As you can see, inside is open again for people who want to make the interior. It's so painful, so I don't make this. And you see here, this is for the light. Okay, and there is camera here, and there is three camera on the front. One, two, three. So now for the car, the wheel, because it's the wheel the most important things here. As you can see, inside there is ball bearing. Okay, this is for people who want to 3D print that so the wheel can move. Okay, and you can and for this one, if you see here, okay, there is actually a circle inside like this, and the same for other things. So if you want to add a screw, this means you can. I show that like this. Okay, you see here. So if you 3D print that, make sure to add a screw here. Okay, so the way we fix it. And yeah, but now come here, and as you can see here, you have the so many file here. So if you go here, this is just the image. Okay, for the render I use keyshot. Okay, and here you have the body open. This means you have these things like this, so if you want to use just the basic form like this and want to model something else, so you can. This is the starter file, and I let you with the starter file for the Fusion 360, and for other things, as you can see here. So now you have this thing, body close. This mean, yeah, I can show you. This mean everything is already converted. This is for people we don't want this open, and above open like this. So the body is closed, but you have the starter field. Yeah, also, and you have these things, the full body. The full body is actually this one. Okay, so here you have the OBG and SAT, EG, sketch, and step. I can give other format because on grabcad you can upload any format you want. For example, FBX, yeah. And here you have the blade file. Okay, you have the blade, the regard and the no regard. If you go to no regard, uh, I I already I already merge everybody. Okay, so as you can see here, the car is already textured like this. You see, and it's like it. And yeah, you see it's already textured. And if you want to modify the texture, you just go to modify, and you have everything here. So now if you want to separate the body, what you're gonna do is just to go to the white frame here, white frame view, and select this one and go to edit mode. You see, now is what you're going to do is just to select everything like this, you select everything, and everything like this. Now next you're gonna click on E, okay, and you want to separate by material here. So you're gonna see here every part of the model will appear. Just wait, this is so low because there is too many parts. And is the same for the wheel. For the wheel, if you want to separate the brake, or you can just select one and use just P, and now you use by selection. And you see here you have everything you need. So you go to object mode, and now if I move that, you see it's moving like this. And if you want to separate the door here, when you go to select like this, now you go to by loose bar. You can try the thing or you can use the step file to do so. So now for people who want to go to back, grab back everything like this. People who want to it's like to rig this car. So you can use the file here. This is the rigger car add-on. Okay. Okay, this is the rigger car add-on is already rigged and is working. Okay, or you can use the no rig file. So what you're gonna do here, I have two rig. So this one I didn't use that. I don't know if it's working or it's not working. And here I have the launch control tool. Okay, for the launch control tool, and I select just everything and click on rig, and it's automatically generate like this. You see, and if you go to animate, it's working. So I done everything. So easy to fix, easy to rig, and the same for the rig guy. First, you're gonna go to preferences and add-on, and now do what before the rig of car, and make sure it's activated here. Rebecca. Okay, and you're gonna see that if you get to Shift A, you go to armature and you have car different rig. So you select everything like this and Shift A and go to armatured rig. And now we have these things. Okay, now you go to this panel, you have rigify and generic, and everything is done. You have now your car rigging. And if you move your car like this, you see the wheel don't move. Just click on wheel like this, and boom, shakalaka is working. So that's it for this video. This was a quick presentation for every project. I will do the rig now and the texture for the car. And quick tips: if you don't want to waste your time to create every time texture, just do this thing. This is the Blender kit. Okay, it's free. You can buy it from the internet. This is the kit I use for the car. So I don't waste my time because I don't like to use notes sometime or everything else. This is why I use Keyshot. And for the animation I made, I just use Keyshot because I try to render my car model here, but it's too slow with cycle. Okay, even I have a 360 to 360 RTX, but I think it's too slow, so I give up. Yeah, and when you try with EV, it's something cool. So bye bye everyone, and thanks for watching.